What's up, y'all? So, today you're gonna be learning how to break your forks, and all you need is a comb. Yeah, so let's get into the
I put my heart on my lips. I gave it all I could give. I made it hot at the crib. I can't fire the crib.
So basically, what you want to do is comb against the grain and with the grain. Let me unwrap real quick. As y'all know, I'm woofing. So, not looking right now. Damn. About to get a haircut on Monday, so basically what you want to do is comb your hair. First, since it's laid, you want to lift it up, so you want to comb with the grain first. And you want to comb the way you brush. So yeah, try to know what the grain meant. And you want to do this if your waves are trained. Well, if you're in the ripple stage, don't do this. Now what you want to do is comb against the grain, which means you better comb the opposite way you brush, like that. So yeah, go ahead, comb. After you did that, you want to comb it back down. But I suggest you comb against the grain for about 10 minutes or so. Then comb back down with the grain for like 10 more minutes. This gonna help your connection and break your forks. But yeah, and comb back down. You want to comb with the mirror so you see your angles, all your hair. So after you do that, you would wanna get your hard brush, medium brush, and your soft brush. Then brush your waves. You should do a long brush session. And if you're woofing it, you should add some pomade or something to hold your hair. So yeah, well, what I would do, which I am gonna do, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I would brush with my hard brush first. Then I'll get my medium and brush with my medium brush. Then I'll add some pomade, a natural pomade though. Then I'm gonna take my soft brush, then brush it through my hair so it can go everywhere. And then I'll use a plastic bag to lay all my hair down, lay all the frizz down. So when you rag up and wake up in the morning, your waves gonna be silky. And this gonna help with your connections. If you must do it every day while you're woofing. I don't do it every day, but I do it most of the times. So yeah, this gonna help improve your connections and break forks. Plus the hard brush going in your scalp. So yeah, it's gonna help. And you gotta start brushing the right angle. And you gotta get yourself a mirror if you don't have one. Cause you gotta know your angles if you wanna break them forks. Cause you gotta know where the forks at to break them. So yeah. Then get your stuff out. So I'm about to be out real quick. I'm about to brush my hair. Cause it's pretty late right now. So yeah, I'm about to grab my hard brush, medium and soft. Then I'm gonna do a little brush session, then back up. And I'm gonna repeat this tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow. Yeah. Then I'm gonna wash my hair on Saturday. Then prepare for my haircut. So yeah. Watch out.